To build the lattice, I've measured this into, and I've drawn this out into 4cm strips. I'm going to cut that out like that. I'm going to do the same with this crappy bit of wood there. This crappy 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 of these of 4cm height. Can now work out how to put it together in a lattice. I've cut the long strips. I've got 5 on the floor down there. I've got 5 over here, and I've clamped these ones up together because what I've done, this is really rough, but I'm going to throw it away at the end. I put some markings along here. I've got a line down the middle, and I'm going to cut out some little squares all the way along. And so I've been lazy and I want to cut 5 bits at once, so I've clamped it all together. So let's see if that works. So these are the bits I'm going to cut out here and there. I just realised that I need to have a straight line on the top so I know the angle to cut, so I'm just putting some lines in the top as well now. It's impossible holding this together. Just wants to tip over like that. Another one like that. So let's have a go at cutting this. Let's have a go and see what happens. Decent. Okay, now somehow I've got to get these bits out. The lattice is secured down to the base wood. It's fixed in place by these temporary bits of wood here, so it doesn't move around too much when I put the cement in. Going to create a mix for the bricks, cement bricks. This is a 4-in-1 mix of sand and cement, and I'm going to mix this up. Then we add some paint, try and dye the bricks. Let's go with that. This is the paint, deep blue. There it is. Let's try for one. Let's try for half a bowl. Alright, that's what that looks like. Where's it gone? go for another bowl. Half a bowl. Looks bluey grey. Green, bluey greeny grey. Looks like the colour of the bucket, actually. That's alright, let's go with that. This is the green cement. Decided it's green. Want it to slide in the wall. A little bit more water. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 32 minus 1, so that's 31. Didn't do enough mix for those other 5. Just got to let this dry now. Just started taking the bits off the lattice. been setting for about 8 hours, I think. So we'll go with that one. It's one-handed. Still quite soft. It's another one. Oops. Yeah, well, I probably shouldn't be probably doing this too early. Yeah, it's too soft. I'll leave it. Probably get on and do that tomorrow instead. Right, let's have another go. I've left this 2 more days because the bricks were quite soft the other day, and I cracked these 2 when I took it off. But that looks like it's just good for effect. Let's see if I can get these other ones out now. Okay, they're coming out all right. Crack it a bit around the edges, but that's all right. I feel a bit soft. Let's get them out of the way. So these other ones, that can come off. Oh right, okay, it's all coming apart. And that one can come off. And then these bricks might just come out. There we go. It's still a bit wet. Could be the paint. Maybe that means they don't go off as quick. It's been 2 days. There we go, there's a brick. And I guess when we build this tunnel, we'll be building them like this. So let's have a look. With a bit of cement in between, which I might colour as well. Something like this. That's the cracked one for effect. And then something like this. Doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to come out yet. There we go. Won't stack too many. That's it. Let's have a look. This is a red mix. Using the trellis again. Look at that colour in there. Move your arm a sec. Look at that. So actually look like a brick. So we're getting that in there now. That's it, stuff it in. Very good. Right, so what do we do to make that? This one we've done with some sharp sand, 4:1 mix, red spade, and 1 bowl of red. And we use this wall ceilings colour paint matte. So let's see how that comes out. That's coming out really red. That's good. Look at that shovel. Hope the police don't come round. Okay, how's this looking then? Going alright?
Yep.
Good stuff. Try the spirit level.
Okay.
Okay, then go the other way. Not quite. Which side does it need to go then? Which side do you need to knock it down?
Maybe that way.
Correct. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, this is it for now. I've put on a temporary roof on the top of just some bits of wood put together, just so I can take it off when I need to clean underneath, just like that. I'll build something better maybe next year. So this is pretty much it. There you go. Right, you come. And then the other side. Here it is.